In this video, I will show you how to create a pivot table in Excel. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Start by opening the Excel spreadsheet on your desktop. Once you've opened it, go to the data you want to work on. If you want to create a table using the data available here, then tap on Insert at the top. And then tap on Pivot Table at the top left corner. Now, select Pivot Table. Over here, choose the data you want to analyze and also where you want the pivot table report to be placed. After that, tap on OK at the bottom. Once you're here, go to the right panel and choose the fields that you want to add to the report. As you can see, the table has automatically been created. You can change and manage other field settings from the left panel, such as the column labels, row labels, values, and more. You can also add or remove any field you want. And that's it. You can now easily create pivot tables in Excel.